IS700Z to put the mower in neutral or back in drive. I'm checking that because somebody told me that you could inadvertently disengage the transaxle and put it in neutral, and then you might be having that issue that I'm having right now where the one drive isn't going forward but it is going backwards. So before I replace the transaxle, I don't think I'm going to rebuild it. I'm just checking these. So on this machine right now, right here, yeah, pull towards the back of the machine with those, and they have a groove. You can see how the nut, the secondary nut, is out. We're going to push them in and slide it down so that nut's on the back side of that bracket. This nut is going to go through the hole on the back side. I'll show you. Actually, I'm going to show you on this side because the other one's easier to see. So you just push this in. Yep, there's a key there. Push it in all the way, and it should, I think, drop down. So in, drop it down. Now it's engaged. So that one, when you push it through, there's a hole there. Push it through, and it slides down in this keyway. It'll re-engage the transaxle right here. Right here, you can see it. That linkage goes to it. Go ahead and push it in. There you go. You just saw it engage. Push it in and then slide it down. And now that re-engages that transaxle. So that's how you would put this in neutral to push it around. So as it stands right now, the mower is in neutral, and we can push it, or you could tow it with a side-by-side or whatever. Just you can push anywhere on it, and it's in neutral. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I know the book.